I love going out and giving garden talks. They're in many different venues. Some of them are in church halls, some of them are on cruise ships. And when I'm on a cruise ship, after I've given my talk on gardening, I'll nip up to the top deck for a cheeky game of shuffleboard. I almost feel as if I'm there. But now I'm actually going to play shuffleboard on this table in my own garden. Hartman's Pavilion set is a versatile dining and game set. The tabletop slides and locks into the side of the games table, enabling play and party configuration with ease. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to put on the shuffleboard wax beads, and this helps the pucks sail from one end to the other. The tablecloth is made from Sunbrella fabric, resin weave bar stool cushions filled with PP foam that are very comfortable. Shuffleboard is a great game to play with friends and family, but with the Hartman Pavilion table, there's a lot more games to play. And when you finish the play, all you've got to do is slide over the table. I've only demonstrated 2 out of a possible 4 games you get with this set. Other games include baseball and horse collar shuffleboard. Crafted from aluminium, the set is rust-free, lightweight, strong, durable and low maintenance. The furniture can be left outside all year round, and you can protect and extend the life of your furniture by using the free furniture cover. There you go, the table is now ready for the celebrations and to sit down, relax and have a cool beer. For more information about Hartman or your nearest stockist, just visit the website hartmanuk.com.